y'all, in today's vlog, I am heading to the doctor's. I have to go to urgent care due to I believe I have the pink eye. My eye is very itchy. It started to be running. And I just didn't want to get my co-workers, have my co-workers get the pink eye because I had it. But it was so crazy because this morning I did not notice it. Like, I just went to the bathroom not too long ago and I noticed my eye was very pink and watery. And I'm just like, what in the heck is this? And like, it itches real bad. I'm not sure if y'all can like see it a little bit. Probably not, but it's red. Well, it's like pink, more so like, okay, there we go. Y'all can see it now, like a little bit better. I did put some drops in it. My manager gave me some drops. So I did put some eye drops in it, but it's just very, very irritated. So I was wanted to go get some eye drops for myself because I don't want my kids to get the pink eye. Also, because it is contagious. I think until you get the drops in your eye, then I think it's not contagious anymore. But, so that's what we're doing. About to head there. Like I told my boss, if it's not the pink eye, then I will return back to work. But if it happens to be the pink eye, I'm just going to just go home and chill, probably make some breakfast and eat. Just make some breakfast real quick and chill out. I'm about to post a video today, so check out that video I posted. I did a prank on Marquise, how we met prank, and it was so funny because yesterday I was editing the video, and he goes, "Why are you telling people that lie?" And I'm like, "What lie? What are you talking about?" He's like, "Why are you telling people that my pet turtle died and this and that?" I was like, "Oh, it was a prank." Because I did forget to tell him that it was a prank, y'all. I never told him it was a prank. I just went along with it. But I ended up telling him today that it was a prank. And he was like, "Oh, okay." But I don't know. I'm trying to do a little sit-down video with him. I do need to do my hair. I need to do my hair because my hair is looking toe up from the flow up, okay? So I think that's going to be my next duty today, is to do my hair. And I got another Amazon package coming today, so y'all be getting some more package reviews, unboxing. But we here at the urgent care. I'm about to go ahead and see what they say. I'll be back, y'all, once I get out of here. Peace. Alright, y'all, so yes, I'm currently back here in the doctor's office waiting to be seen. The nurse that came, she said it looks like it's a starter up, like it's getting ready to form more into a pink eye. So I'm gonna get some drops and stuff, but she said she want to wait till the provider come in and give me more details. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat because I am starving, y'all. Like, starving. I'm so hungry. But I don't want to go cook. Like, I want to just be able to go and eat. So, we have a, what time is it? 10:45 a.m. Freak. I would say go to White Castle's, but it might be too early to go to White Castle's and get some burgers. But, I'm hungry. So I might go get some cereal or something. But, snappers. I can't wait to do my hair. Get all this glue out. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Well, y'all, looks like your girl is about to head home. So I guess I'm about to just start on my head. Because we have a funeral tomorrow to attend. So make sure you guys in the comment section below send some prayer hands And some prayers to Marquise. He lost a very, very close friend. So just send some love to him and some support. So we got that tomorrow, and then we have his little sister, aka our little sister, surprise birthday party that we're throwing at our house. She don't know nothing about it, so I'm excited for that. So I got to get my hair done. But yeah, so the doctor did confirm that I had pink eye, so I gotta go get my medicine once CVS gets done filling it. Got my note right here for work. So now I'm about to just go home, eat, and then do my hair. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next clip. I'm not sure if I wanna record me doing my hair, but I might make that a vlog so y'all can see how I wash and get things in that sort. So yeah, so I'll be back, y'all. I'm like 2 minutes from home, so see y'all in a little bit. What's up, Kicking It With Court Cleans? We are back with another video, y'all. In today's vlog, we are cleaning out the refrigerator and reorganizing it. Shout out to my girls that got me the beverage organizer. So I'm about to install, put that in there and see how that goes. So yeah. I know what I'm doing. Boy, what are you doing? Alright, I got it now. I got it now. Alright. So, let's start. Okay, so first, let's see. We look. We look. Oh, let's go to first. You have the pickles. Everybody take the pickles off. Everybody take the pickles off. They're not here. They have two pickles in them. They only get like one trip. So they go back this morning. Pickles? What else is good? Okay. Things over here. See my cheeses. I'm gonna rub the cheese one too. So now down here, put all my butter. Like here, okay, so y'all, my son said hi. Okay, so I didn't even notice. I realized I was going to run up on the cabinet. That one on expired. Yeah, it's in the cabinet. When you get a chair. Yeah, it's cool now. As long as it's not open. Yeah, I'm gonna go. We got to get my next pizza. Tried these at Costco. They were so freaking good. Chicken bites. We'll get into the bottom. You can see it. Come get your seat. What's up, Makayo? So we almost finished. What's up, Mama? What's up, Mama? What's up, Mama? Sorry, I'm trying to get this. You want to get out the water? It's almost better. It's almost good. Oh. You want to this like that? I'm going to put these back here, but no. Get them out. Who's this? I don't have to try that. Get the bottom part another time. Another day. Okay, girl, what are you screaming? Alright, y'all, so we put these body armor in here, but we have successfully cleaned the refrigerator. Refrigerator's all clean. Alright, y'all, so I have successfully cleaned out my refrigerator. Alright, guys, so this is my refrigerator now. If you like to see the before, you can go to TikTok. It's on my TikTok, Getting Rich. I will put that in the description down below. But yes, refrigerator is now cleaned out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you guys think I did with rearranging my refrigerator. I thought, I feel like I need more refrigerator space, but this is so cute. Just grab one. So cute. Shout out to my friend. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Look at Micaiah. Micaiah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, walk to me. You gonna show me you wanna walk? Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not gonna do it? Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Say beep beep. Come on. Come on. You done took your sock off. Come on. Good job. Good job.